Hi everyone, welcome back. We have file parameters. I will show you what we can do with this option. So basically we have two graphs, and as you can see we have some buttons here. If we press on this button, you can see that on the graph we change all the visualization. So everything is behaving like some filters on those graphs. And to achieve this is very simple. I will show you how we can do this. So first of all, I will just delete these buttons. So I have a simple graph here, clustered column. I have the parameter here. I'll just take it out. Sum of cells. The second one, same thing. So I will just delete the initial parameters which I built. And we will do from the scratch everything. Okay, good. So now, as we did in the previous session with static parameters, we go in modeling, a new parameter, we have fields option. And here we can choose whatever we want. We can give a name to our parameter. And for example, we are in the sheet orders, and we can choose whatever we want here to filter by. So based on sales, we want to see cities. Let's say what else? Product category, product name, region, and state. No, and I think or customer name. So we have enough. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So once we create, we click create, we'll add a slicer to our page. So it looks like this. We can change the way we visualize these categories by going in slicer settings, choose style, and now they look like some buttons. So we can adjust the size as we want. And now in order to connect it to our graph, we just need to go here. We see the parameter, the new parameter created. So we have the order from 0 to 4. We have the names of the categories. So in order to connect it, we just need to go on the graph. On the axis, we need to add our parameter, new parameter, and now everything is connected. If we click on city, we will see cities, sales by cities. We can a little bit enlarge this product. We can see the product categories, sales by product name, regions, and by customers. So actually it's very easily, and also it's quite cool. And we can do same thing in case of other categories. If we want, like we want to see sales by some period of times, we can do that also. Doing same thing, we go in modeling, new parameter files, and now this time I'm going in date, where I can choose month, name, quarter, year, and so on. And let's say create. And same, we can just transform this in a tile so that it looks like a button. And now we just need to add the second parameter in our graph on x-axis. So we'll just drop and drag here. And now we can see by month, by quarter. We can sort quarters in an ascending way, like that. We can also visualize by year. So we have cells, we can see cells very easy like that without building a lot of graphs. And also it looks pretty well. Of course, with some small adjustments, we can build a professional dashboard. So this is all about filed parameters. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.